Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Dhanu Rashifal 2020 overview. According to the Dhanu Rashifal 2020 horoscope predictions, this year will be a good year for you in every aspect of your life. The previous years have been troubling and full of challenges. This year you will be able to reap the fruits of your labor. People mocked you previously, but this year they will sing your praises. Everything will be going well for you, including your health and financial stability. Dhanu Rashi natives believe in taking everything one step at a time. They believe that the challenges in life mold them into becoming the great people they become as time progresses. You need to appreciate every hurdle in your life because it leads you towards achieving your goals and dreams. 2020 career predictions. This year you will advance significantly in your career prospects. There is a possibility that you might get a promotion at the workplace. Keeping yourself occupied with work will enable you to realize your goals and objectives in life. Try out new things and your career will take on a unique shape and direction. Do not neglect the people around you, since they are the ones who will enable you to grow and advance. Restricting yourself to the area of work you studied for in school will not help you a lot. You need to expand your horizon to be able to learn new skills and apply them in the job you already have during the Mercury retrograde 2020. Dhanu Rashi 2020 forecasts for health. The Dhanu Rashifal 2020 foretells that your health this month will be excellent. You are a happy person. Hence, be that way by avoiding sicknesses. Make sure you take your time to see a doctor when you feel the slightest discomfort in your body. Train yourself on how to take a balanced diet and exercise daily. Exercise need not be vigorous, since even skipping a rope 10 times in a day is considered to be exercise. 2020 Dhanu Rashi finance horoscope. Dhanu Rashi natives are hard-working individuals. They are committed to what they indulge in. This year, your finances will be fine, since you are not only getting money from your salary but also from investments that you have made in the past. At first, the investments seemed like lost causes. But this year they will bring you money which will enable you to sustain yourself and your family. Your spouse will also enjoy financial prosperity this year. Family and love. 2020 Dhanu Rasifal. The Dhanu Rashifal 2020 foretells that this year you will have a great relationship with your family. Your children will draw closer to you, since you are always having fun with them. They will do well in school, since there is love at home. You will appreciate your spouse greatly for all that he or she does in the family. Love will come easily for the singles. They will be able to enter into love relationships with people they will meet in social gatherings. Love will reign in the homes of those who are married or in relationships. The planetary powers are aligned in your favor, hence the presence of abundant love in your life. This is also a good time to get pregnant. According to the 2020 Bhavishya Rashi, this year you will not travel a lot. You will be so held up with work and your family that traveling cannot find a place in your free time. Traveling will come at a later date when you have put your house in order and your career is on the right track. You will, however, finance field trips for your children when necessary. Your spouse will, however, travel a lot due to the nature of his or her work. Conclusion. 2020 Dhanu Rashifal reveals that most of this year will bear good tidings for you. You should embrace this year with all your heart, because as it progresses, excellent things will come your way. Almost every aspect of your life will be in order and moving on the right path. Though there will be a few negatives here and there, it is upon you to know how to handle such situations.